In today's video, I am going to teach you how to gift games on Steam and why can't gift games. Start by opening Steam on your computer or signing in through the Steam website. Before you do anything else, make sure the person you want to gift to is on your Steam friends list. You can quickly confirm this by opening your friends panel and searching their profile. Gifting only works to people on your list, and the account you are sending to needs to be able to receive gifts in their region and currency. Next, head to the game store page. Take a moment to double-check that it's the correct title, edition, and platform for your friend. When you are ready, click Add to Cart. This just places the game in your cart. It doesn't buy it yet, so you can still back out if needed. Open your cart and look for the option that says this is a gift. Click that, and Steam will switch you into the gifting flow. You'll see a list of eligible friends. Select the friend you want to receive the gift. If they don't appear, it usually means they aren't on your friends list. They already own the game, or the title can't be gifted to their region. Once you've selected the recipient, you can personalize the gift with a short message. Keep it friendly and clear. Since this message appears in the notification they receive, you can also choose to deliver the gift immediately or schedule it for a future date, perfect for birthdays or holidays. After that, proceed to the payment screen to complete your purchase. Review the total, confirm your payment method, and finalize the order. Steam will send a confirmation to you, and your friend will get a notification to accept the gift. If you scheduled delivery, it will send on the date you picked if you are seeing that you can't gift a game. Here are the most common reasons. The recipient might already own the title or a bundle that contains it. Some games restrict gifting across certain regions or currencies, so cross-country gifts may be blocked. On rare occasions, publishers disable gifting for specific products or editions. New or limited accounts can also face restrictions until they meet Steam's basic requirements. Finally, if a game is no longer sold or has changed packages, the gift option might be temporarily unavailable. That's it. Thanks for watching.